Good time of the day. This is Alex, and today we will create a simple AI chatbot with memory and internet access. So AI agent is a system that is capable of decision making, also interacting with a user. We will use OpenAI or LLM as an AI agent in today's tutorial. Memory is an ability of a system to perceive some information. There are different kinds of memory. With these guys, we will test and implement in following videos. In this video, we will implement a short-term memory, session-based, so the model will remember whatever happened in the context of one dialogue with the user. We will use memory store for this. It is well known that AI agents and LLMs in general struggle with hallucinations and outdated knowledge. Hallucinations is the bad property of LLMs to generate plausible but sometimes false events or false responses, which is not aligned with the real world. And outdated knowledge is a phenomenon of LLM answering with information that it has been trained on. For example, if the data set was collected in 2023 and today is 2025, the LLM knows nothing more than information from 2023. And it responds using only this and doesn't know modern information. We will try to fix these issues with access to internet and ability to make search requests. It should fix both hallucinations and outdated knowledge. So to do this, we will use a framework known as NTN. I run a local instance in a Docker container. We will start a new workflow. We will call it simple chatbot. Now we will implement workflow. Workflow starts with some trigger, information processing, and responses. As interface for triggering the workflow and receiving the responses, we will use chat trigger. Chat trigger is a very simple API. You can run it even here. Hello. So the event will be triggered, but of course you see no response because we need something on the background backing up this system with responses. This is where we need LLMs now and agents. Let's do OpenAI agent. Tools agent is fine because later we will add a search and memory capabilities, which are tools. It already recognized that a trigger node is connected here, and the input, we will use input from this trigger node. So let's see how it works now. Of course, it's just a framework. We need to add here some chat model. As a chat model, we will use OpenAI chat model. Here we will need credentials. These are my two past credentials. I will create a new one. So OpenAI account will ask you for API key. We will Google it. API key page perform API key. So here you need to add billing. After you add billing, you need to create a new secret key and create a secret key. So here we will obtain our secret key and we will add it here, save. It will test automatically, say us that, okay, everything works. Perfect. Now we have a chat with AI agent and integrated OpenAI chat model. Now, when we added OpenAI chat model, added it to AI agent framework, our simple chat works and responds, hello, how can I assist you today? Now, let's try to explain what is memory. The memory refers to the ability of AI system to store, recall, and use past data experience. Let's say to this AI agent that my name is Alex. Nice to meet you, Alex. As a response, it worked. But now let's ask, what is my name? To make sure that AI agent remembers my name. And we see, I'm sorry, but I don't have access to personal information about users, including your name. How can I assist you today? It means that our AI assistant doesn't preserve the information, the session-wide information. Let's try to add the simplest memory like this and try again. So this memory will store up to 5 messages, the latest one, and it will serve as a context for everything that happens next in the chat. So AI agent doesn't know my name because we just initiated this memory store. Let's repeat this. My name is Alex. I am AI engineer. What is my name? What is my occupation? Let's try to showcase how this database works with this updated query and information. Now we see that agent remembers my name as well as occupation. Now let's showcase the another issue that is associated with such a setup, which is hallucination and outdated knowledge. Let's ask who is a president of the United States. So our chatbot says that its knowledge was last updated in October 2023, and the president of the United States is Joe Biden. But we know that in 2025 it is Trump, and this information is missing. We can fix it by adding a SERP API, which is a Google search API. We need to add our account. As you see, I already have my account here. You will need to set up yours. It will contain an API key. So this is mine. I registered here, and this is my API key. Let's add it here. You see that I performed 2 searches out of 100 freely available. Let's now repeat our request to the chatbot. It is year 2025. Who is the president of United States now? As we see, the SERP API is executed because AI assistant doesn't know the answer to this question. Now we have the proper answer. We have, as of year 2025, the president of the United States is Donald Trump. He is currently serving in the office. Let's go to SERP API, and we see that the 3 searches performed. So in this case, our AI chatbot didn't know who is the president because his knowledge was outdated. So it decided to use a tool, a SERP API, go to internet and search who is the president of the United States now. So this is a simple demonstration of what is AI agent based on a language model. In our case, it was OpenAI. We showcased what is memory. We showed a session-wide memory where our AI agent remembered my name and occupation. Also, we showed how to work with hallucination and outdated data using Google Search API. Stay tuned for more. In the next video, we will learn what is vector database and how to integrate our AI agent with it.